Now let's talk about the core item. A core item number is required for all items going through a Sears point of sale. So if it's going to be sold at the Sears store, it has to have a core item created. Information from the core tab in IMA feeds into the core system. So what exactly is core? Before Sears and Kmart combined into SHC, Sears had their own item setup system called core, and it's still in use today. However, in an effort to streamline item setup, they created IMA so that item setup can be done for both Sears and Kmart items in a single application. Information from the core tab in IMA feeds to the core system, so that's how the item setup for Sears items gets completed. As a vendor, you will never have to actually enter information on that core item. The core item doesn't get created until the merchant has the item in their role. And then if it's going to be sold in the Sears store, the merchant will create the core item. Now the merchant should be passing on that core item to you, that Sears div-item. It's the 3-digit Sears division, so if it's not 3 digits, just add the zeros in front of it, and then a dash, and then a 4 or 5-digit item number. Now you will be ticketing your Sears items with this core div item number. And it's really important that it is correct. So if you are not certain of the item numbers, be sure to confirm with your buying team. If it gets to our stores and it has the incorrect div item number, it's not going to ring up correctly at the registers. To fix it is not a simple process. We actually have to pull the product from the floor, and then it takes 7 to 10 business days to correct. So that's 7 to 10 business days that we are not getting sales on this product. That's why it's so important to make sure that it is ticketed correctly. So just like the KSN is used primarily for inventory, sales, and ordering on the Kmart side, the core item number is primarily used for inventory, sales, and ordering on the Sears side. A core item identifies the hierarchy, the size, and the color. Also, if items are skewed, so if you have multiple items on the same item number, it's also really important that that skew is correct on the ticketing as well. That will also affect the item not ringing correctly at the register, and that can take several days to fix behind the scenes. So again, that's additional days that we won't be getting customer sales on that product.